Welcome to a new day. Today is January 20th, and I just got in the house, so I got some stuff I need to take care of today, but I'm definitely going to be taking you guys with me this week because I got a few things to do. We're headed to Punta Cana this week, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride, but I need to pack. I'm still working on cleaning the spare room. I actually want to show you guys something too. Working on getting some things together in there. Today is, I have to do my planning today because I didn't do my planning day yesterday because we had family in town and stuff like that. So we really just was doing that yesterday and this weekend. I know you guys saw clips of that with the sipping paint. What else? I have class this week. 2 classes actually. I'm taking 2 classes right now. So yeah, so doing that. Taking 2 classes this week. So what else? Child, I got a lot going on, but I'm waiting for my hubby to get in. He got me some lunch, so we're gonna eat lunch together. I heard it was supposed to snow, and I don't know what's going on with that because then I heard that it is not going to snow. So we're gonna see. But yeah, you guys, I'll be checking in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting here packing and I'm on my laptop. It was something I was gonna say. I'm tired, but I did get a package, so I'm about to open that right now so I can show y'all what I got. So somebody was talking to me about, it's some nails that I get. I don't know if you guys have heard of them, and one day y'all probably see me put them on. So I just go ahead and talk about them now, and I'll drop the link below if you guys want to check them out. But they have these nails now where you basically, it's like gel. So you put the nails on, you use the gel polish, and you do like the finish, the overlay finish. And hopefully y'all can see me good because I know the light is over here. But anyway, so they have those, and I really like those. They really do well. I feel like the ones that I have are decent. Like they stay on, they're good. But they have the ones for your feet now too. So that's these right here. And somebody was telling me I should try them. Don't pay no mind to my nail. These are kiss nails that I have on, but one broke. And I actually had these on for a good amount of time. So, but yeah, which I also got from Amazon. So I'll show the link to that too. But anyway, I'm going to try these nails. I don't know if I want to try them for my trip, though. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I just want to go get my feet done because I don't want to be caught slipping. This is my first time trying them, and then I'll be out and one of these nails pop off. That is going to be too much. But I do need to get my feet done. So I'm going to figure that out. And then I got these, which I'm about to use right now because, well, let me show them to y'all first. These little eye patch thingies. I had some gold, I think, whatever, the yellow ones, I had some of those. I haven't used them in a while. But these right here, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I feel like I've been getting like dark circles under my eyes. And one, like I can literally feel it like a, kind of like a burning sensation when I'm up too long. Or when I'm feeling tired and stuff like that. And mostly like when I'm trying to edit and stuff like that. So I'm gonna actually put these on just, you know, to help with that, the puffiness and all that stuff. So, I'll drop the link for these too. I'll let y'all know how I like them. In this box, you get 40 pairs. You have all different colors. It came quick, only paid about $10 or something like that. And they have a bunch of different kinds, but this should last me a good while. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Hey y'all. So I hope you guys are having a good week so far. I'm just in the kitchen right now. Oh, my focus is going out. Prepping and cooking. It snowed today, and so it's really cold here in Atlanta. And it's a lot of snow out. I saw like one of my friends post a video of people basically stuck on the road. I don't know what happened, but you know, Atlanta really don't get ready for snow like how they should get snow, and I'm hoping that's going to change in the next couple of years, because people are getting stuck, sliding all over the place. They don't know what to do when it snows here. It's crazy. But anywho, I need to go get some work done. I was supposed to be taking out my hair today. I still need to get a pedicure. So much. Like, I'm still trying to work on getting this daggone video up. So that's what I've been doing. So yeah, I still got a lot of stuff to do to get ready for my trip. But anywho, I wanted to tell y'all, somebody told me today, one of the little guys, well, I shouldn't even say little, because I feel like he looked like he older than me, but being fresh with me today. But anyway, told me that I look like my focus keep going out. I look like I'm pushing 40. What? Hold on. And I really feel like when you get to a certain age, I guess you feel your age. I don't feel my age. I don't feel my age at all. And like I told him, because he in his 30s, and I was like, I'm in my 30s too. What are you talking about? I was like, how do I seem like I'm pushing 40? And so I thought he was talking about how old I look. Because I got mad. I was like, I don't look 40. Not that, you know, some 40-year-olds look really good. But I was like, I don't look 40. So I asked him what made him say that I'm pushing 40, and he basically said how I carry myself. He was like, you can kind of tell with people at a certain point on how they handle themselves. So I guess I should be taking that as a compliment. I am somebody's fine auntie, so I guess I should have been taking it as a compliment. All right, hey y'all. Welcome to a new day. Today is Thursday, the January 23rd. We just arrived at our hotel, so I am going to just give you guys a quick tour, and y'all know I'm going to do a review at the end of this trip, so you guys know what's what. Okay, so this is coming into the room. First you have your little bar area up here. Everything is included, and you open this. They got drinks and everything in there. All of that stuff is included too. Of course, they give us this little wristband. And we're staying at the RIU locations. This is the room. We got a superior room. This is our bed. That's baby. That's me. I'm definitely gonna be using this to take pictures. Yes, yes. All right, and this is the little couch area, over here. Okay, and we got a balcony. Hopefully I ain't missed nothing. Oh, what's out here? Nothing. What in the world? Okay, we got a balcony, but alright, before my camera cut off, I was trying to show y'all the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. That's the shower, glass shower. Okay. Then you got his and hers sinks, towels, washcloths, all of that stuff. And soaps and all that. Okay. That's all of it. Yep. That's the end of the tour. Okay, real quick, this is what I'm wearing. I have on this bag from Shein, and all this stuff will be on my LTK. This little yoga set, pants and top, linen shirt. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. All this is from Shein. Shoes, Shein, necklace, Amazon, nails, Shein. Hopefully y'all can see the nails. If it focus. It's not focusing. There you go. Bam. Yep. Earrings, all that stuff. Yes, and here is Amazon. Alright, we about to go to... Alright, yeah, we about to go find something to eat. But yeah, just doing all black, something quick and cute. That's it. That's it. Alright. Hey y'all. Okay, so we are right now about to head to breakfast real quick. So I just threw on this dress. I don't necessarily want to say outfit of the day because I'm not keeping it on, but just to show y'all real quick. See if y'all can see. A little cute little dress I got from Shein. If y'all like it, the link will be on my LTK for y'all to check it out. All right, and I'm gonna check back in later. What we gotta do? Go downstairs, get towels at 9 o'clock, find out about transportation at 9 o'clock, and I don't know what else. Probably get a lay of the land so we can see what we doing today. Yep. It's raining. It's pretty though. It's raining. I'm about to go to breakfast. It'll be right here. Here we go. I think I want to do, you know, I like, he doing eggs crazy. I'm about to say, you know, I like to do me a good omelet or, I'm not gonna get you, I'm gonna get food. Thank you. Huh?
No, what it's no queso. No queso.
¿Todo bien? Qué bueno. Ay, mi amor, hoy no. No. No, hoy no. Todavía no ha llegado lo primero. Ah, thank you. You know. Please. Okay, we got everything. Where? Why are you laughing at me? Pretty. You can really see it on this. So this is the pool right here. Can you get a picture? Alright, so we're gonna walk down to this beach and see what this beach and pools are looking like, but it's really pretty out here. It was raining earlier this morning, it just stopped raining. We had to go stop in the store. This one's spending all the money in the gift shop. He'd been in there like 2 times already. And let me tell you something. What I will say, as far as this gift shop is concerned, they are like, they charge like really high prices on stuff that should not be. What was we looking at? It was like $57. It was something. I think it was a book bag. $57 for what? I said we should have just bought our own. I don't know why we didn't, but
maybe it's a gift shop, so gift shop's gonna get you.
No, I think they overdoing it. You know, convenience, I guess, but yeah. And he knew it. You see how he was looking? He knew what he did. Look at that.
They say all the resorts should say like 1-point-something mile of beach, so probably just walk up.
Hello family, the party boat, Sauna Mugi.
But thank you.
Thank you.
Like I probably should have took my shoes off. Got coconuts. It's pretty. Look at the little boat out there. I am. I'm gonna go out there. Our cleaning lady just left. And she left these little cute little rose flower petals in our bathroom after she cleaned up. That was so sweet. She was sweet. He gave you some more. He gave you some more. All right, y'all. So we are about to head out for our excursion. I think we got some time before
Go see some monkeys.
Monkeys.
See your cousins. What's that now?
Anyway. Yeah, we about to head out. I think they not coming till like 1 something.
Like 1:15, something like that.
Yeah. What time did we get? We got here late yesterday. But yeah, so I'm taking my camera with me so you guys can see what's going on.
No, they're the girl that ain't gonna do that.
The tour guide both way. The monkey. 97 hungry monkeys waiting for you.
Okay.
So when they see you to get in with the fruits, they are going to jump over you at the same time. On the way, let's see bananas and tropical fruits. Then when we get there, already mentioning 9 of them. The mountain over there is named Anamuja. The monkeys are up there left, just selling towels. They are. Them dogs just be running around.
Minding their business.
It's so sad.
Una selfie con Kelly.
That story is
Hi, families. Welcome everybody to the human cage.
Dale la mano acá,
Gotta hold this tight. He wanna come jump. The food ain't over here, so they don't care.
The one right there on the bottom.
Thanks, man.
Okay, family now, please shoulder to shoulder, family together. Don't move your feet, please. Don't move your feet. Los bebés tienen que tenerlos pendientes, agarrarlos, que no vayan a pisar el monito para que el monito no lo tenga que morder a ellos, ¿verdad? Okay. Todos con el platico en la mano. Everybody, you hold the plate. Everybody, you hold the plate. More.
You got it. Be careful, babe. Slippery. Hold the phone tight. Look at him. Ain't nothing. You see him trying to do something in the bowl.
Tiene mucha foto, ¿verdad?
Zip line.
Gracias,
Cachu.
Uy, un mono grande, un mono bebé.
A ver, pónganse del lado, Mato.
Guarda Luis.
Rafa.
Guarda Luis.
Rafa, mira mamá.
Un mono.
Venga, ven.
Turn this out. Landscape. I mean, yeah, landscape too. So they got video too.
Y'all got a lot of them too.
And the sun behind y'all, so I don't know, but oh.
Okay, family now, please. Family now, please. Shoulder to shoulder, family together, guys, please.
Oh.
Please. Shoulder to shoulder, please. Shoulder to shoulder, family together.
Bye, baby.
Back shoulder to my shoulder.
I'm trying to get him to get on my hand. He looking like you ain't got no food.
More monkeys, guys. More food.
I'm up.
So in here there is no monkeys, families in this island. Outside, no monkeys. All of them come original from Guyana and Suriname. That's in South America. We started 11 years ago with only 15. Now we have a big group of 90 total monkeys. In this place here, we got 25 monkeys with 7 babies from last year. They can live in places like this like
Do my
20
hand.
years or more.
Oh,
Not in the
I'm trying to get
wild
in my
habitat
hand.
because they have a lot of predators around them.
Oh, wow.
And nutrition. Normally just one baby they get, only one monkey. Alright? The gestation time is 5.5 months.
Babe, look at my shirt.
Remember, if the monkey peed on you or number 2, it's 7 years of good luck.
Oh, well, I got good luck, man. Sure peed on me. Chair.
They're not vegetarian. These monkeys are omnivorous.
You dropped that thing in my head.
They get one tourist once a week, okay? We're gonna see who's the lucky one here.
The what? To
You're
what?
gonna be lucky one to get shit on.
Oh, I don't want to get shit on.
Don't worry, families. Not today. Maybe on Sunday. Enjoy the rest of the time with them, family. Thank you.
He looking for things. You see him? If I can find a piece, I'll put it in my hand. Not that piece.
Ok, chicos, acá en República Dominicana no tenemos monos. Estos monos son originalmente de Surinam, Brasil, Guyana.
I swear.
Ellos viven alrededor de 20 a 25 años y todo eso. Ellos comen fruta, vegetales y carne. Ellos comen carne, nosotros le damos un turista a la semana. ¿Está bien? Ellos comen carne que es de vaca, que es un término cuarto, porque necesitan proteínas. Ellos tienen un bebé al año y un bebé al mismo día. ¿Por qué? Porque el bebé desde que nace se le sube la espalda de la madre por 4 a 6 meses. Los 2 primeros meses no comen si no es simplemente la lactancia de la madre. Ellos su fruta favorita es la banana. En cada jaula de acá nosotros tenemos alrededor de 90 24 monos. Acá tenemos 27 y 7 bebés nuevos como lo que es eso.
But don't forget, guys,
Oh, we got to plug it over.
in this country, coffee, to making coffee, cocoa bean, to making chocolate, we make the same process. The only thing is,
Thank you.
our coffee is Arabica coffee. Our cocoa comes from Mexico. We got coffee 1 time a year, we got cocoa bean 2 times a year. In this country, ladies and gentlemen, we produce almost everything. Believe me, guys, almost everything. You can see, guys, it's not apple, made apple. Oh yes, made apple. Same process. Cocoa.
Okay, I don't want it.
Coffee. Same process. For example, this is coffee.
Oh, damn. Look at that doing right there. I'm trying to get it out.
For 1 hour.
You don't like it, baby?
This is cocoa.
It's different.
Cocoa beans, they're roasted for 1 hour.
He said not a victim.
Another victim.
Not victim.
I have this up there.
Thank you.
I'm gonna show you in a few minutes.
Put on my legs.
Morning, I can tell because I got diabetes. Cocoa bean, you don't believe me? Okay, it's okay. I'm telling you the truth. The best for people that have diabetes, cocoa bean. Oh, very bitter, very bitter.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, it smells like heaven. It's not, see?
It's hot. Is it hot? Yeah. Wait a minute, guy, you got my finger. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Got it? I ain't even stopped. The things you gotta go through to get the shot. Alright, ready? Tink. It's too hot.
It's hot.
This smell like it don't have no sugar in it.
This smell of
As advertised.
This smells the same.
As advertised.
There's sugar in here?
yours smells a little different.
This is a McDonald's. This is a McDonald's.
So hot. Oh, you're not on there, but you can be on there. Can you see yourself?
Where's that accent from?
Huh?
Where's that accent from?
I'm from Maryland, Baltimore.
Baltimore.
That's not where I live now, but
That's
yeah.
the first
Yeah.
time I've actually heard a real
Baltimorean?
In life. Yeah.
Really? Yeah.
Lots in the movies.
Okay, where are you guys from?
Ottawa, Ontario, Canada.
Ah.
Sorry about the weather.
Oh, that's why we gone.
Real sorry.
That's where we live.
We left the door open.
You crazy? No.
Very sorry.
Yeah, we live in Atlanta now. We live in Atlanta now, and we usually don't get snow.
No, but Atlanta got snow, eh?
Twice.
Yeah?
Yes.
I follow a lot of YouTubers and bloggers from Atlanta with the
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
I may follow you already.
I want some, huh? You don't follow me. I'm pretty new.
Okay.
Well,
I follow a lot of Atlanta YouTubers, so I was wondering.
It's Tandra Fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you might have to just put it.
I'm gonna put in my notes.
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd you say?
I said you're getting followers right now.
Well, thank you. I have a good amount, but you know I'm working.
Is it TAN?
Yeah.
DRE.
Fit.
What's
Fit.
that?
And then it's travel boss at the end, but if you just put Tandra Fit in, it'll come up.
It'll come up. Yeah. Travel box.
Yeah.
You're almost like the Atlanta fit lawyer. That's what I
Really?
thought when you look fit.
Okay.
Like,
Look, I haven't even drank my coffee yet, so, but I do want some.
Yeah, you do. Put it in there.
Mix it.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Thank you. That's what you did to yours?
oh, it smells like real chocolate.
You can't drink it right now.
Oh, it is.
You have ice cubes?
It smells
Make
sweet.
those here?
I'm trying to cool down. That's why I haven't drank mine because I'm already hot.
Canada, we could have brought you some.
Wait, turn on.
Ottawa.
Oh, it's good. You want to taste yours?
Usually everybody says Toronto. I'm very proud of you.
It's good. You like it?
It's not bad. It's sweet.
Yeah.
Very chocolatey sweet.
Yeah.
Snow there right now, so.
I like that.
Yeah, my smoke shops on just different.
I know. I
Oh
saw.
my God, it's so
said you-
good.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God.
Did you get
I mixed it with my coffee.
coffee with sugar or none?
Yeah, coffee with sugar.
Okay. He didn't get sugar. He said his is still good too.
Still good?
Careful with the kids.
Nice.
It's sweet enough.
Press the button for me. The red button. Pretty now. This he remind me of Costa Rica. Oh, what he was saying. Let me show y'all this house. Yeah, people are in there. I'm gonna go in. Yep. You wanna go inside? Come on, baby. Yeah, they got it set up so we can. This is cute. Different than what what we used to. Just a little tour. You got that right there. What that's covering up? Look at that cat. Oh, this is not a. Hi. This is something separate. Thank you. I was about to go in there like, oh, wait a minute. Yeah. What's right here? Oh, that's not to go in. It's like a bathroom or something back there, huh?
Watch the step there.
Open. You trying to find a bathroom? Huh? What'd she say?
They got that one with green drinks. The bar still open.
Wow. Why is it dark? Yeah. Hey y'all, good morning. Oh, my hair look crazy. Babe, why you ain't talking my hair look crazy like this? Good morning. Good morning. All right, so we are headed to the gym. The first day since we've been here. And our last day, full day here. We leave tomorrow, so yeah. Does my camera look blurry? It look a little blurry, don't it? Hold on. That's better, yeah. So yeah, we about to hit this gym. Get some
cash.
a little bit in. Hey y'all, good morning. We are headed to the gym. We haven't been since we've been here, so this is our first day going to the gym and our last full day here, so we're gonna go get this workout in. Ooh, my hip. Ooh, you heard it? I'm glad it popped. That joint was good. Gym bag. Good shine. The gym? Thank you. Huh? I can't hear you. Oh, look. What you say? Who catches? Oh.
Opening hours of the gym 7 a.m. Yeah.
Can we record? All right, y'all, so I was just talking to hubby and I was telling him that this is a good location if you want to do a solo trip because everything is right here. What I like to do with my clients is book their excursions and all of that stuff as well when they come on their trip, so it'll already be scheduled. But this is good because everything is here. You can party here, you can eat, you can have other entertainment, everything is here. So yeah, but we'll talk more about it when we do our review. Yes, thank you. Oh, it's so sweet. All right, hey y'all. Hold on, let me wipe this camera off. Hey y'all, hey. I know I didn't get a chance to check in. As y'all can hear, my voice is almost gone. It is our last day. We actually leave today. And so right now we're just packing. And we're about to head to the airport. We had a long night and we got a long day ahead of us. So I didn't get to take my camera last night, but we did go to the big pool party that they had here. It was so lit, which is why you see what you see right now. But yeah, so we had a great time. I really wish I could have vlogged it. But if I can, I'll share some of the video footage that some of the other people that I was talking to and connected with on Instagram sent to me. So, but yeah, we had an awesome time. They sung happy birthday to me yesterday. And yeah, we had a good time. So this is going to be the end of this vlog. I will check back in with y'all later. I'll be doing a review on this resort. I also went to some of the other resorts on this property, so I'll be talking about those as well. Make sure y'all tune in if y'all want the information and tea about those other locations as well. But yeah, thank you for watching this vlog. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe for more videos to come and more informational videos as well. All right, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.